In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook password in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to update your security or simply want to make sure your account is more secure, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to change your Facebook password today. To get started, first open up your Facebook mobile application and then tap on these three lines in the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on this gear icon to go to your settings and privacy. Once you are on this screen, simply tap on password and security. So when you are on this screen, what you want to do next is scroll down just a little bit and tap on change password. And then you want to type in your current password over here, and after that, type in your new password over here, and retype the new password over here. Once you do that, simply tap on Update Password to change your Facebook password. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.